This is the guided practice for 4.1, and we're going to be estimating each product. So we have fractions. These first two are fractions times a whole number, but we're going to estimate it, and I'll show you how to do this. So right here, I have 1/8. So I need 1 of 8 parts. So I'm going to make this, here's my 1 whole, but I need 1 of just 8 parts. I'm going to divide this up evenly. I go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. 8 parts. Now, it's going to be times 15. So 15 won't go evenly into 8 parts. But what will go evenly into 8 parts is 2. So I'm going to make this into a 16. What will go evenly is 16. I could either go to 14 or 16. I'm going to 16. Oh no, I couldn't go to 14. 14 doesn't go evenly into 8. 16 goes evenly into 8. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So I add those up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So I have my 16. I need 1 of these 8. So I just need 1 square here. So my answer is going to be about 2. Now, let's look over here. 2 of 5 parts. So I need 2 of 5 parts. Here's my whole. So I'm going to 1, 2, 3. Now, those aren't even, but that's the best I could do right now. So I have 5 parts, and I got to find a number close to 25 that goes evenly into each square. 26 doesn't go evenly into 5, but 25 would. So I'm going to make this 25 because I know that 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Add all those up, I get 25. So 2/5 of 25. Now, 2/5, I need 2 of these. 2 squares out of the 5. So I add that up. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 2/5 of 26 is about 10. Okay. Now, a couple other ways that we could estimate to find a product. 1/5. Okay. I'm looking at 1/5, and it's either going to be between 0 and 1. So I do my little chart here. We got 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 0. Then there'd be 1/5 here, 2/5 here, 3/5, 4/5, and then 5/5, which is the same as 1. Okay, so now I'm right here. It's closer to 0. So I'm going to say this first one is 0 times, and then I have 8/9. Again, I'm between 0 and 1. I could have 9/9 is the same as 1. So I have 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9, 6/9, 7/9, and then 8/9 right there. And I have 8/9, so it's right here. Oh, it looks like I'm closer to 1. So 0 times 1 equals 0. That's an estimate. Okay. Now this one, number 4. This 2/3, which is more than a half. So I'm going to move this number up to 7 times 4/5. 1/5 is less than a half. So I'm going to just drop that. Equals 4. So 28. So 6 2/3 times 4 1/5 is about 28. Not the exact, because we made a little adjustment. Estimated. Okay? We rounded them. Alright, let's look at these last 2. Or last 3, I guess. No, 2. We'll just do 5 and 6. Okay. A border is made up of 32 2/3 bricks that are 1 1/6 feet long. about how long is the border. So 32 2/3 times 1 1/6 equals, it says about how long? So 2/3 is more than a half, so I'm going to go 33 times, and this 1/6 here is barely anything. So I'm going to keep that at just 1. I'm not going to go up to 2. So 33 times 1 is 33. So it's about 33 feet, approximately. Okay, the last one. Kitchen. 24 1/6. We're finding the area. So it's going to be times 9 2/3. This 1/6 is closer to 24, then it goes, it's under half, so I don't go up one. So I stay at 24 times 9 2/3. This 2/3 is more than half, so I'm going to go up to 10. 24 times 10 is 240, and it's feet squared because it's the area. Okay. That's just a little guided practice in estimating each product. So go ahead and do the independent practice on page 261 and see what you can do, and there'll be another video to watch to check and see how you did.